In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up Brevo to your blog page. This process is a simple way to connect Brevo with your website, so Brevo can track visitors and help you understand how people interact with your blog. To begin, you will first log in to your Brevo account. Open your web browser, go to the Brevo login page, and sign in using your usual method. Once you are logged in, make sure you land on your main dashboard. This matters because the next settings you will use are usually organized in a consistent place from the main account view. Next, you will go to the Settings area and then into Automations. In your Brevo dashboard, look for the Settings option, and inside that, find Automations. Take a moment here to confirm you are actually in the Automations section, not another settings category. The goal is to locate the controls related to tracking and automation, since enabling the tracker depends on that section. Now you will enable the Brevo tracker. Inside the Automations page, find the Brevo tracker toggle or option. Turn it on or enable it depending on what you see on your screen. When the tracker is enabled, Brevo will prepare the tracking script you need. If you do not see anything change immediately, look for a message or a tracker status indicator that confirms the feature is active. After enabling the tracker, you will copy the provided JavaScript code. Brevo will typically display a block of code. Select all of it carefully and copy it to your clipboard. It is important to copy the entire code block exactly as shown, including any characters, punctuation, and spaces inside the script. If you miss part of it, the tracker may not work properly. At this point, you have the code ready. Now you will paste that code into your blog's HTML, specifically immediately before the closing head tag, which looks like head. To do that, open your blog editor or theme settings where you can edit the HTML of your site. Find the section that contains the head area. Usually you can locate it by searching for the head tag. Then paste the JavaScript code right before that closing tag. This placement matters because the head section is loaded early, so the tracker can begin working as the page loads. Once you paste the code, do not rush to close everything. Double-check that the code is located immediately before reply. Also confirm that you did not accidentally place it somewhere else, like inside the body section. When you are confident it is in the correct spot, save your changes in your blog editor. After saving, give your site a moment to apply the updates. Finally, you will return to the Brevo tracker settings and click Verify to confirm. Go back to Brevo, where you enabled the tracker, and look for the Verify button inside the tracker settings. Click Verify and wait for Brevo to check whether it can detect the tracker code on your site. This step confirms that the script is correctly installed and that Brevo can communicate with your blog page. If verification takes a few seconds, that is normal. If it does not verify right away, wait briefly and try again after your site changes have fully propagated. Once verification is successful, you have completed the setup. And that covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.